Uspacy is an AI workspace that combines a CRM, task manager, and team chat into one platform. And right now, lifetime access is available on AppSumo for $69 instead of the $500 suggested price. That's 86% off. Let's take a quick look. If you're managing client relationships across a CRM, a task manager, and a separate chat app, you already know the drill. Switching tabs constantly, losing context, and re-explaining the same conversation to 3 different tools. Most platforms only solve one piece of that puzzle. That's the gap Uspacy is built to close. Right now on AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to Uspacy starting at $69. Here's what you get. First, a full CRM. Track leads and deals in a filterable database, build multiple custom sales funnels that match your actual process, and even generate contracts and invoices automatically from your CRM data. You also get built-in telephony, so you can call clients directly from the deal card without switching apps. Uspacy's AI can turn any message, comment, or email into a task with one click, summarize long chat threads or calls, and draft follow-up emails ready to send straight from the CRM. For team collaboration, you get a Kanban or list-based task manager, recurring task templates, and automation for repetitive steps like status updates and stage changes. And for communication, Uspacy connects WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and email into one shared inbox and can auto-create leads the moment a stranger messages your website chat. Before you buy, there are a few important details to know. Storage, emails, and user counts are tiered, so check the comparison table to match a plan to your team size. A few reviewers mentioned some initial lag and an onboarding learning curve, though the team has been responsive about resolving issues. Uspacy also offers API and MCP access, which reviewers specifically highlighted for connecting AI tools like Claude directly into their workflow. And the deal is covered by AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee. So who is this deal for? If you're a small business, sales team, or remote team that wants to consolidate CRM, tasks, and client communication into one place, this is a strong pick. It's sitting at 4.55 out of 5 across 11 reviews, with several users praising the automation and AI task creation. But if your team is already deeply invested in a tool like Slack for internal chat, you may only end up using Uspacy for the CRM side rather than the full platform. I've added my link in the description below. Click it to check the current price and full deal details. If this deal breakdown helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more software deals and honest SaaS reviews every week.